Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to this 10-minute morning yoga to stretch your whole body. Let's begin right away in a child's pose. So come towards the back of your mat, big toes together, slowly sit back on your heels. Keep your knees together or widen them as much as you want to. Lower your chest down, place your forehead on the ground, and lengthen your arms out in front of you or keep your arms along your body. Take 2 deep cleansing breaths in through your nose and let the exhales be relaxing and grounding. Just take a moment to settle in, connect with your breath and your body. In your child's pose, we're going to add a side body stretch. So lift your belly and head up and walk your hands over to your right. Place your left hand on top of your right and rest your forehead down on the ground. Also, bring your left sitting bone down towards the ground so you really feel your left side body opening up. Beautiful. And then come to the other side. So lift your chest and head up, walking your hands over towards your left. Place your right palm on your left hand and rest your forehead on the ground. Breathe into your right side body. So each time you breathe, feel your upper body, your torso opening up. Feel the space that's being created with each breath. Side body stretches are so nice in the morning, especially if you're a side sleeper, then it can feel a little bit tight. And then as you inhale, come back to center, back to your regular child's pose. Take one more deep breath. And then from there, let's do a few rounds of cat-cow pose. Come on all fours, with your knees directly under your hips, wrists under your shoulders. Breathe in, drop your belly, look forward, and breathe out. Round your spine, chin to your chest. Keep going. As you inhale, open up, arching your spine, and as you exhale, push the earth away. Keep going. Follow your breath. And then come to a neutral spine. From our all fours position, get ready for downward facing dog. Curl your toes under, engage your core, lift your knees up, and then bring your hips up and back. So adjust your hands, adjust your feet, land in your downward facing dog, or actually let that downward facing dog land in your body. Lengthen your spine. And feel free to pedal out your feet to warm up your hamstrings, your calves. You can bend one knee, straighten out the other leg. Keep alternating, creating space in your hamstrings. Then lift your heels all the way up. As you exhale, bring your heels towards your left, so you're on your tippy toes. And then lower your right heel down, straighten out your right leg, bend your left knee. And you're resting on the ball of your left foot, so really opening up your right side body. Take a deep breath. And then we'll do the other side. So inhale, lift your heels up and bring your heels over to your right. Lengthen out your left leg. Bend your right knee. Rest on the ball of your right foot. Breathe. Wonderful. And then come back to center, back to your downward facing dog. Then come a little bit forward towards a plank. Drop down on your knees. With your left knee under your left hip, left wrist under your left shoulder. Your left knee is in line with your left wrist. Lengthen out your right leg. And then turn open towards your right side. Extend your right leg. Keep your right foot on the ground. And reach your right arm up and over for a nice modified side plank. Really nice way to open up your right side body. Another nice lateral stretch. I'm a big fan of lateral stretches in the morning. So keep breathing. And then slowly push yourself up, your upper body back to center. Now let your right hand graze your right leg as you breathe in. Lift your left arm up, breathe out, side body stretch towards your right side for gate pose. Release as you exhale. Slowly come back on all fours. Switching sides. Bend your right knee. Right knee is in line with your right wrist. Pivot on your right knee and open up towards your left side. Extend your left leg. Your left leg is in line with your body, with your upper body. And reach your left arm up and over. You can look up or down. I prefer to look down for my neck. Breathe. Nice. And then as you inhale, push your upper body to center. Come up and let your left hand graze your left leg. Reach your right arm up and over, diving towards your left side. Gate pose. Feel free to look up or down. Keep your heart open. One more breath. Beautiful, and release. And then with grace, slowly come out, moving mindfully. Come back on all fours, and let's just flow it out one more time with cat-cow pose. So on all fours, as you breathe in, drop your belly, lift your chin, open your chest. As you breathe out, hollow out your belly, round your spine. Breathe in to open, and breathe out to contract. Come back to a neutral spine. Place your hands one step forward. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, gently let your hips fall towards your left and look over your right shoulder. Maybe you can see your feet. Once again, opening up our side body, the left side body. Then inhale, come back to center. Exhale, drop your hips gently to your right side. They don't have to be on the ground, just feel that stretch, that's enough. Looking over your left shoulder. You might notice a difference between your right and your left side. One side might feel tighter. That's totally normal, nothing is symmetrical. And then as you inhale, come back to center, back on all fours. For our wrists, bring the back of your right hand on the ground, so your right fingertips are pointing towards your right knee, and gently put a little bit of weight on your right wrist, not too much, just a little bit to stretch it out. And then release. Place your right palm down, switching sides. Turn the back of your left hand down. Left fingertips are pointing towards the back of your mat. And gently put a little bit of weight on your left wrist, stretch it out. Make sure you're breathing. Good job. And release. Place your left palm down. And then we're going to finish with a child's pose. So bring your big toes together. Sit back on your heels. Widen your knees as much as you want to. Drape your upper body forward. Rest your forehead on the ground. Lengthen your arms in front of you if that feels good. And turn your palms facing up. So notice what this does to your wrists, your shoulders. Take a couple of deep cleansing breaths. Each time you exhale, relax and soften your body. Allow it to melt into the earth. Take your final deep breath. And slowly push yourself up and out of your child's pose. And we'll finish in a seated position. Take a seated cross-legged position. Bring your arms out to the sides, your palms facing up. As you breathe in, sweep your arms down, around and up, gathering all the love, light, and positive energy. Breathe out, unite your palms, and bring all that beautiful energy into your whole being. And bring your palms in front of your heart in prayer position. And really press your palms together, connecting your right hemisphere with your left hemisphere, bringing balance into your whole being. And take a moment to acknowledge yourself for doing this morning yoga practice, to stretch and start your day on a positive note. I hope this practice is a blessing to you, and thank you so much for letting me be part of your practice. From my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat.